Welcome back to Danny H.P. Stewart. In today's video, I'm going to my friend's house and I'm going to do a science experiment and I'm going to take you guys with me. So let's go.
In there? Yeah, totally won't send me to the hospital or kill me.
We're not afraid. We're really we can handle this.
We may be married
This
to men,
is
but
a
are we
science
really mountain
experiment.
It's a good, harsh world.
men? Enough to survive, not enough to...
Point being, it's got it like anything in life.
I know.
Look at Mr. Stewart.
It's semi-been there, but
How much he covers. The debris they keep on laying on him.
but quite honestly, I like the simpler life.
Yeah, that cup is like melted, but it's just like the liquid is just like
Well, it
boiling over.
won't go beyond until the liquid evaporates. It'll continue to melt.
So people
The
have
liquid
already
is
started
keeping
trying
the
to
plastic
overclock the founders'
cool
editions
enough
of the 38,
At
and they're able to do so to
a temperature around,
decent extent.
I
given
would
the
guess,
limitations.
12 to
How far do you think?
1600 degrees.
37. Nope.
Probably the similar lengths. It's just going to be scaled down. It's pretty much going to be across the board because you can only do so many tricks.
Right.
So yeah, your big
For the most part,
overclockers.
the clock speed and the voltage goes hand in hand, and if you have if you're liquid cooling the card, you have a lot more leeway.
Gamers Nexus and all that, they're already doing the liquid nitrogen and stuff like that. So practically you're going to hit the limits of kind of like the software and the voltage. And stuff.
Are we taking bets on what gives out first, the cup or the wood?
Benny, I'm... Now he's sitting on a shelf by you.
No, I didn't have.
Look at it, guys. It's gonna collapse anytime soon.
Great mom kept all of her ass.
What we did keep is.
Oh, Dan.
Oh! Oh no!
Cup
beer.
lasted longer than the wood.
Yep.
And look,
Yep.
and it's still lasting. Look.
The cup lasted longer than the wood. The wood burnt before the cup.
Yep.
And hey, Ben, the cup is still on there.
Now he's haunting his Xbox. His dummy knocked it into the Xbox.
The cup is still going.
Where is it?
I cannot believe it, guys. The cup is still going.
The board broke.
Jesus Christ!
Wow.
Plastic lasted longer than the wood.
And it's still burning.
Oh yeah, look there, stand up. You can see it boiling. Hey guys,
Now look at it now. It's boiling. It's going to evaporate.
you can see the liquid boiling. But it will not fail until the liquid is gone. Evaporate. Look how long that plastic is held up. I mean,
Wow. Well, guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this incredible science experiment.